So before I jump into this content, before I start talking about these interesting charts which I prepared for you guys, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And guys, let's try to reach at least 1,000 like. Let's break 1,000 like today, because you know, video like this takes a lot of time, takes a lot of energy. So if you appreciate what I'm doing, then please destroy that like button. Thank you very much. Now, first thing first, let's look at the overall market summary. Indices looks like recovering. Stocks are neutral, right? Some are positive, some are negative. ETFs looks positive. Crypto is also recovering, right? A small relief rally, what we are witnessing here. But why are we saying this? I mean, why did the price of Bitcoin started free falling all of a sudden? According to Anup, you can see, guys, I have some bad news. BlackRock is not buying. In fact, they are selling. Yes, according to Grok, what triggered BlackRock's sell-off? You can see BlackRock's sell-off might be influenced by market jitters following a hawkish stance by the Federal Reserve, as crypto funds saw significant outflow recently, almost $1 billion outflow. The timing could also align with broader market trends such as the US debt ceiling discussions, which historically have been negative for Bitcoin, potentially affecting related investment decisions. Yes, guys, this here could be one reason why we saw so much selling pressure in the market, more than $1 billion. But if you look at this now, I mean, after this sell-off, if you look at this price action now, you can see it looks like Bitcoin might have found bottom for the medium short term. I mean, this formation, what we are witnessing here, is a descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern, because the line which previously rejected us, you can see, has been broken, and since then the price is clearly in an uptrend. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that in the medium short term, a breakout from this descending broadening wedge and even breakout from this double bottom structure, you can see, just like in this example, right? A breakout from this descending broadening wedge means breakout from this double bottom as well, and price is expected to show a rally in this manner. So in our case, since this is a breakout from descending broadening wedge, now we might be heading towards this neckline, but this neckline for us will be acting as resistance. But in the medium short term, I personally think after some sideways movement, there is a possibility of price showing a move like this back towards 96, 97,000 to reach the price opportunity from this descending broadening wedge. But it might be just a relief rally. After this bullish move, we might see another continuation here to the downside. And why? Because price right now is showing a rally, not just only because we found support at this lower trend line from this descending broadening wedge, but we also had the support from this Bollinger Band, I mean lower band. You can see in the past price action, each and every time during uptrend, whenever we have seen this kind of scenario playing out, price during uptrend faking out, testing the lower band, has resulted in a bullish move. You can see, right? Each and every pullback around this lower band has at least resulted in a move, a bullish move around the basis line or even the top of this Bollinger Band. So here we test the lower band. So a rally or relief rally is very, very normal. So this relief rally might also see a move like this back towards 96, 97,000. But that will be the key line of resistance. I mean, Bitcoin has a strong resistance around that area, because if you look at this Williams alligator indicator in a daily time frame, which was a very bullish Williams alligator indicator, now is a bearish Williams alligator indicator. During uptrend, you will always see this green line appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom. But during downtrend, you can see during downtrend, you will see blue line appearing at the top and green line at the bottom. So each and every time green line started appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, resulted in a bullish move. But if you see a move like this, I mean blue line at the top and green line at the bottom, it has resulted in a bearish move. So In our case, this here is a bearish crossover. Blue line unfortunately has started to appear at the top, green line at the bottom. Now, if this relief rally continues, I mean Bitcoin showing a move like this around 96, 97,000, now the same line which during uptrend acted as a support will be acting as a resistance. So that's why now we have a resistance from this Williams alligator indicator, or we have built a very strong resistance in between 96 97,000 for Bitcoin. And now not only this one here, but even according to our leading indicator, price has failed to touch the monthly arrow line. This is a bearish scenario, guys. Price of Bitcoin failing to touch the monthly arrow line could be a sign, a first sign of weakness, and also a first sign of reversal. So in our case, since the price has not just only failed to touch the arrow line, but we even broke below this CPR trend line. And now the same CPR trend line, which during uptrend tends to act as support, will be acting as resistance. So this trend line will be looked as a line of resistance. So as long as we fail to find proper support above 96, 97,000, this rally, a breakout from this descending broadening wedge, a double bottom bullish continuation pattern like this, will be faking out. I mean, even after a bullish move towards this 96, 97,000, it could still fake out because price has a strong resistance building around that area. And not just only this leading indicator, even this rising wedge scenario looks like playing out. Unfortunately, this bearish continuation has come back to life with a price target around 85,000 for now will be looked as our upcoming target, because beside this price action, even the indicators has started to turn bearish. You can see RSI has dropped below 50. MACD started to form a bearish cross. This is a bearish MACD cross. So please be careful, guys. Any sort of a rally in the medium short term, as long as price remains below 96, 97,000, this will be just a temporary rally, and price after that is expected to show a move here like this, because parallelly the price has formed a right angle broadening top pattern. This is a bearish continuation pattern. So if this scenario starts playing out, you can see things could get very, very ugly. I mean, Bitcoin has already tested the support from these lower bands or the lower trend line. So if this 90,000 support gets broken, according to the price opportunity from this right angle broadening top, where could the price of Bitcoin be heading? Below 80,000, guys. According to this bearish continuation pattern, you can see we could test up to 77, 78,000. So please be careful. If this bearish continuation pattern known as right angle broadening top pattern plays out, things could get very, very ugly. And not just only the right angle broadening top pattern, I even showed you with the help of this dead cat bounce trading pattern. This is another bearish continuation pattern. So once the support around 90,000 gets broken, we will be also entering this 1, 2, 3, 4 continuation pattern. I mean, price reacting to certain news, heading to downside, forming a dead cat bounce towards this 0.5, 0.61 Fibonacci line, getting rejected, and then heading towards the original trend direction. So even according to this dead cat bounce trading pattern, once we lose the support around 90,000, things could get very, very ugly. But we found that on the 1st of January. I mean, when we formed a shooting star, we knew something was wrong. I mean, shooting star only gets formed when market is exhausted. I mean, this is a reversal candlestick pattern. And according to this reversal candlestick pattern, you can see the uptrend might have ended. And if this starts playing out here in a monthly time frame, the worst case scenario means we could head back towards this Williams alligator indicator to test the support, which could bring the price of Bitcoin around 75, 76,000 range. So this is a very, very bearish target for us. So please be careful. You can see we were hoping this shooting star to get invalidated, but unfortunately Bitcoin failed to hold above 100,000, and since then we are clearly heading here to the downside. So even if this bullish continuation pattern starts playing out, please do not get overexcited. Wait until this 96, 97,000 resistance gets broken before jumping into any trade. Otherwise, it will be just a small relief rally, and price after that is expected to show a move here in this manner. So please guys, please be careful and do not over leverage yourself. So guys, these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.